So I'm putting seat covers onto our Ram 2500 crew cab today. I've already done the back, which is in another recording, and I've done the driver's side, so I'm going to show you how I put on the front bucket seat cover. These are custom built seat covers that I got off of Amazon, and I'll have the link below. They have them in dozens of colors. We chose not to get the center console cover. I believe they make them, but we just decided not to. We'll do the front seat and the back seat, and you can check the video. Sorry, we've got a ton of stuff. We go into storage, so I've got the full floor loaded, but that's what the back seat looks like. Those can be pretty tricky when you go to put those on. I've read one Amazon review where the guy said he had to take the back seat out, and maybe he had a different back seat than I did. I don't know. If you watch the video, you'll see how I got them on there without taking the back seat out. This, by the way, is the second set that I have put on. We used to have a 2016 Ram 1500 quad cab that I put a set of these on, and the back seat was a little difficult. By the way, this is the seat cover. It's got the Ram logo. Not sure what all they make, different brands, but let's get started. One thing you want to kind of do is, instead of just yanking it all the way down at the start, you want to kind of work the top down. Let's get the top on tight. A lot of seat covers have a flap in here to pull down. This one doesn't, but again, as you can see by that one over there, and when we're done here, you don't really need it. The way this fits around the back, it actually fits pretty snug. And they do have these straps here in strategic locations, plus they do have the two in there. I didn't use them over there. Again, I try to keep it as simple as possible so it's easy to take out and wash and put back on. But again, I only use one of these, and I kind of hook all of them to this hexagon. And then there's one that's kind of loose if the way I do that, so I use one this way. I'm going to show you what I'm doing back here. I'm just reaching under the seat, basically. Going to be pulling these straps through and these straps through, and just hooking everything onto this. How these go onto this, just in case you can't figure it out from the directions, you just snap on like that. So I've got one here, do that one, and then always try to cross them so that it gets the tension on them. Now anymore I can hook up to that same one. It just makes it life simpler when I go to take it off. Get the headrest on here. So there you go. These will loosen up. Oh, one other thing, once you get this on, this opening for the airbag has a little flap that you can tuck, very thin flap that I just tuck in to cover it. And that's about it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and take care.